Ni ugethi wa mbembe uria wambiriirie umuthi mugunda-ini wa Galana Kulalu ino ari imwe ya tabarĩra iria ciĩkĩrĩirwo nĩ thirikari harĩ kũnina thĩna wa wagi wa irio. Hĩndĩ ya ugethi ũyũ ũrĩa nĩ wa mbere kuma ũhandi wa mbembe wambĩrĩria mweri-inĩ wa gatano mwaka-inĩ ũyũ, thirikari nĩ ĩkĩrĩte mũkonde atĩ gũkinyĩria mũthia wa mwaka ũyũ makiri ya makunia 40,000 nĩ magũkorwo magethetwo kuma ĩka 300 iria irĩkĩtie gũkũra, gũkũ ĩka ingĩ 1,200 irĩ matĩna-inĩ matiganĩte ma gũkũra.
The total acreage we are hoping to have under production by the end of the year is 3,200 acres. As we speak today, what is on site is 1,500. Come mid-year next year, 2026, another 11 pivots will be activated and we will have a total of 5,400 acres under irrigation.
What we just witnessed today is evidence that what we've been saying, that ASAL counties can actually help us in productivity, and which can actually help us address the issue of food security and also reduce our food import bill, which currently is standing between 400 billion to 500 billion.
Kuringana na Minista wa MAAI MUGAA, uria tongoririe mihango ino nyitanĩire na mwandĩki mũkaru rũhonge-inĩ rũrũ Evandas Kĩmotho, nĩ ihinda bũrũri wa Kenya wĩ kũremenya maro-inĩ ya kũgũraga irio kuma nja ya bũrũri. Rĩu mũtaratara ũyũ ũkĩgwetwo ta ĩmwe ya njĩra ya kũhonokeria bũrũri mabilioni ma mbeca.
We are spending more than 500 billion a year to actually import food into the country. That is the story we are trying to demystify. The average production for seed maize is between 28 to 30 bags per acre hapa. Hivyo ukipiga hesabu zako for the 1,500 acres already under production here, utapata karibu 40,000 bags that will be produced here by the end of the year. So imagine if that is 1,500 acres, what can we do with 200,000 acres as a nation?
Mũtaratara ũyũ no gũthiĩ na mbere na kwaramio makĩria kũhĩtũkĩra waki wa ndemu nene cia gũkinyanĩria ũrĩmi ũyũ wa maĩ.
The people who conceptualized this project had a vision ahead of us. It only took time to get the right team to come together to unlock it. It is a successful story of a public-private partnership. We invite everyone, even the doubting Thomases, to come and see for themselves. Kwa sababu Mswahili anasema mwenye macho haambiwi tizama.
Under the PPP framework, we have set on to commercialize this Galana Kulalu scheme. We are initially developing 20,000 acres net area, gross about 40,000.
Ona gũtuĩka hau kabere ũrĩmi wa Galana Kulalu wanagwetwo ta mũtaratara ũhananĩtio na gũkama ndegwa ũkĩgiritanio na hathara theri, anyitite mihaha rĩu magatarĩria umithio ũrĩa bũrũri ũkwĩmathĩra kumana na ũrĩmi ũyũ.
We've actually witnessed that 1 acre is exactly giving you at least approximately 20 to 30 bags. And if you talk about at the maximum potential of the phase 1, which is 10,000 acres, we are talking about 400. We are talking about 45,000. Yes. And when we talk about 2 seasons, we are talking about 90,000. So if you are to estimate that at approximately 4,000, it shows you that every shilling invested comes back to the economy 5 times.
We have begun with the primary crop, which is maize and maize seed for that matter. Between now and the next 3 years, we'll have the 20,000 acres fully developed and cropped.
Harĩ Kameme TV, retora kone Bataru wa Mwagi.